Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we did grammar's topic clues, that is gap filling. We go through the details how the gap filling is done using different parts of speeches like articles, prepositions, modals, verbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, determiners, conjunctions, and so on, which we have already read and done in our previous classes. We also talked about the tenses and the subject verb agreement, which we should keep in mind while doing the gap filling exercise. Now, let's complete the following passage by filling in the blanks with suitable words. I'm taking a sample paragraph for you. This is the one. Humans, unlike many animals, are omnivores. So, human, unlike many, we can write other animals. So, other animals are omnivores. We require both vegetable matter dash meat to be fully healthy. So, vegetable matter and meat healthy. Although some humans manage to survive reasonably healthy whilst consuming dash animal products at all. So, no animal product at all. Finding their proteins mainly dash nuts and seeds, mainly from nuts and seeds. To carry out dash complicated functions, to carry out so many complicated functions. The human body requires 7 categories, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, minerals, vitamins, fats, and water. So this was the first one which I did for you. Now I am giving you another sample passage. You have to go through this and then we'll do the exercise. A library is not a luxury but dash of the necessities of life, said Henry Ward Beecher. Dash organized collection of books and other printed materials, manuscripts, dash more. A library is a storehouse of knowledge. A city or a town without a library is bereft its soul. For it is the library that allows a person room dash learn, understand and grow. It is a wealth of information dash is stored on those countless shelves that can dash you a glimpse of dash lies in the world outside your orbit. So let's start. The library is not a luxury but dash of necessities. So one of the necessities. Dash organized, an organized, an. Here we will write the article an. Collection of books and other printed materials, manuscripts, dash more. Manuscripts and more. And is a conjunction here. A library is a storehouse of knowledge. A city or a town without a library is bereft of its soul. Of. For it is the library that allows a person room to learn, understand and grow. It is a wealth of information which which is stored on those countless shelves that can give you a glimpse. Glimpse is a view. Glimpse of knowledge lies in the world outside your orbit. So we'll write knowledge here. You have to fill in like this. I hope by now you have understood how to do this topic. Next, I'll send you some assignments to do yourself, and then I can send you the key of it. Thank you.